We all know how important it is to stay hydrated, especially during the summer months. But did you know that not drinking enough water will actually cause elevated levels of inflammation in your body and around your peripheral nerves? Everyone's heard that drinking enough water is important for the health of our kidneys. But water intake is critical for so many other systems in our body as well. For instance, our brain, spinal cord, and nerves are highly reliant on water to maintain normal healthy function and to decrease the risk of injury. Let's take it one step further. Can drinking water help reduce nerve pain? Well, research shows that it absolutely does. Here's the thing. Keeping your cells well hydrated will decrease your levels of prostaglandins and histamine production, which are part of the inflammatory reaction in our body. When these levels drop, so will our pain levels. So how much water should an adult drink? Well, the answer? At least 64 ounces or 2 liters of water per day. This is the bare minimum. To keep your cells properly hydrated and healthy, you want to work your way up to approximately 99 ounces or 3 liters of water a day. Now, those of you who aren't used to drinking any water, this amount probably seems over the top. You're wondering, how on earth will you ever get this much water in? Well, here's how you want to do it. First, grab a stainless steel water bottle like this one here, not a plastic one. Plastic water bottles can begin to leach chemicals into your water once the external temperature reaches 77 degrees or higher. And yes, this will even occur even if your plastic water bottle is BPA free. Remember, BPA is only one of the many toxic chemicals that are found in your plastic water bottle. So it's best to stick with a stainless steel water bottle like the one I have. Also, it's important for you to know how many ounces of water does your water bottle hold. For example, this one holds 32 ounces. So first thing in the morning, I'm going to fill it up all the way. And I'm going to sip water consistently throughout the day, and I won't refill my bottle until it's empty. This is important because then I know when I've consumed a full 32 ounces. Once your bottle is empty, then you refill it and repeat the whole process again. Now, once you get used to drinking water, it will be easy for you to go through 3 bottles a day. Here's the key though. Have your bottle with you wherever you go. Always have it by your side. So I'm often asked, what temperature is the best temperature to drink water? And the answer is, whatever temperature gets you drinking more water. The temperature doesn't matter, whether you like your water ice cold, room temperature, it's just important to get the water in. Also, flavored liquid beverages don't count towards your water consumption. What do I mean by that? Well, if you love iced tea or sweet tea and you drink a gallon a day, this doesn't count. Why not? Because the caffeine and sugar will actually dehydrate you. The point is, there are many components to flavored beverages that will interfere with the hydration of the liquid you're drinking. So I'm talking about plain water. Now you might be thinking, yuck, I hate the taste of water. Well, first I'd like to point out with the greatest level of respect, this is the silliest statement I ever heard because water has no flavor. Yet, this is what every single one of my non-water drinking patients will tell me. What they're really saying is, I hate the fact that water isn't sweet or it doesn't have any flavor. Okay, now that I can understand. So here's what you're going to do to jazz up your water. First, you can squeeze lemons or limes into your water, or you can infuse them with berries. Just simply pour some water into a pitcher and add berries and let it sit in the fridge overnight. Also, you can infuse water with sliced cucumbers, sprigs of cilantro, parsley, or other fruits to add some zest. The great thing about infusing your water is that it'll actually boost the health benefits of your water. Lastly, my patients will often tell me, Doc, if I drink that much water, I'll be in the bathroom all day long. Well, to be perfectly honest, this will probably happen for 2 or 3 weeks. And that's because your kidneys are so thrilled that they're getting the water that they're doing the happy dance. And they're working overtime just to flush all the toxins out of your body. But once they realize that the water source is going to consistently be around, they'll slow down their filtration back to normal. This means you'll be urinating every 2 to 3 hours, which is normal, instead of every hour. So to sum it all up, here's the benefits of drinking more water. It'll help with nerve communication in your body. It will decrease inflammation and pain, It can actually increase your energy. It can improve mental alertness, focus, and attention. It can actually decrease wrinkles. That's a good one for you ladies. Now, make sure you send me some comments. Tell me, how much water are you drinking now, and how much do you intend to drink in the future? So, cheers, and here's to good health. You want to record like this? Yeah? Okay.
Better if she were facing.
Oh, baby girl. But have you ever wondered how much B12 is too much? In this video, see, that's where it jumps. So, in this video, I'll help you determine exactly how much B12 you actually need